So guys, welcome to my channel. So how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver? So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and this is search button, and then enter the B550M space DS3H and then AC, then hit enter. Then find out your this one and then click on the motherboard. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system driver installations process same. So I select any, I just so audio driver, and this is nice, and just click to download. And it is completed, then open it. And double click to launch, and then yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. And then this is close automatic, means this is installed. Chipset, AMD chipset driver, and click on. And it is start downloading. Then open, and double click to launch. And then yes. And it is closed, means this is installed. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and this is size, just download. And then open it, and just open, and double click, then click on yes for administrator rights. Now this is installing. Then it is closed means this is installed. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So Bluetooth driver, Wi-Fi is not right now available. If available your time, just download it. It is completed. Then open and then double click and then yes. Now this is extracting. Then installing the Bluetooth driver. So this is install and close it.